Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Sidhi'smomstudio. Hello guys, welcome to my channel Sidhi'smomstudio. Today we will do general knowledge in this video part 5. Let's get started. Rules: 6 questions, 5 seconds, no cheating, answer in comment box. Who is one of India's main strike bowlers? Answer is Jasprit Bumrah. Which former president of India was also a famous scientist? Answer is APJ Abdul Kalam. Name the national game of the USA. Answer is baseball. Who is one of the greatest short distance runners all time? Answer is Michael Johnson. What is the capital of Bangladesh? Answer is Dhaka. What is the currency of Myanmar? Answer is Kyat. Thanks for watching the video. Bye. Let's meet in next video. But before that, like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye. Thank you.